Coco, come on. Coco, come on.
She knows you're with the phone, so she's dancing for you.
Come on. Go bite.
Now they're both come to you, see?
Come on. Hey, baby bird. I know. I see. You're so extra, Coco. Yeah, it's been a while since I took a video of her. Yes. See? She's playing extra. You see? Look at her, Kendra. Coco and the baby bird. Look, they're biting it.
Oh my god, they have.
Yeah, look at it. It's biting and then the other one's biting over there.
They're like having half and half.
Yeah.